Okay, folks, example 4, it says in T years, the population P in millions. So whatever number I get for P, I multiply it by millions, or I just say it's that many millions. If I get P equals 4, that means it's 4 million, right? Okay. In T years, the population P in millions of Centerville will be approximately that equation. P is equal to 2 times 1.03 to the T. What will the population be in 2 years? Well, let me take T out and put 2 there. What do I do first? How do I evaluate this thing first, Curran? Well, I'm just going to go ahead and square this, right? PEMDAS. 1.03 squared, right? So P is equal to 2 times, what is 1.03 squared? Miles, tell me the whole thing. Don't take anything out. 1.0609, like that? Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do, now that I've dealt with the exponents, now I'm going to do multiplication. And 2 times 1.0609, don't tell me, let me see if I can do this, is going to be 2.1218. Is that right? So it's that many millions. So I could say 2,121,800. Okay? Centerville, that's a lot of people to live in Centerville for me to have never heard of it. Well, they're, Centerville. Well, here's the question. Wait a minute. What is the population right now? Interesting. Austin, you're going to help me with this one. Remember, the formula is P equals 2 times 1.03 to the T. Well, what is the T? If it's right now. Not 1. That's a year from now. It's 0. Right? So what is the population right now? Curran? No. No. It's 2 million. Because what's 1.03 to the first? I mean, to the 0. I'm sorry. It's just 1. So it's 2 times 1 is 2 million. 2 million. What's that? Well, you know what? You're just looking at it. You're looking at what's happened in the past few years. Okay? This is just a prediction. Demographics never work this way. They give reasonable estimates. Okay? Guys, one more. It says, what was the population last year? Well, how do I represent that, Will? -1. P is equal to 2 times 1.03 to the -1. Now I want to start evaluating this, Chris. What's the first thing I need to do?
Distribute the -1.
Well, I don't have to distribute. There's really nothing in there. It is 1.0. Okay. 2 times 1.03 to the -1. Okay, now what do I do?
You distribute the 2 into the...
Wait a minute. There is no distribution in here because there's no plus or minus. I only distribute when I have more than one term. If I have just one term, I just multiply them. But I'm not ready to multiply them yet. CB, what do I need to do?
Make it a fraction and put the -1 under.
Exactly. This thing is in the wrong place. I'm in the wrong place. So it's 2 over 1.03 to the first now. Well, what's the exponent of the 2? What is the exponent of the 2? It's 1, isn't it? So it's in the right place. It stays where it is. All right. Okay, well, what do I get when I divide 2 by 1.03? What is that? Kyle?
1.944174573.
Okay. Now remember, this is in millions, so I'm going to make that a comma, that a comma, that a comma. So it has 1,941,747.573 people. The .573 person's kind of weird. I'm just saying. It's just a little different. Okay. I divided 2 by 1.03. Okay. All right. Good job, guys. I think you're ready for your homework. Get out of here.